Now, still on cybersecurity, the government is working with relevant agencies to fully restore all services and websites targeted by cyber criminals. Speaking after taking a tour of the National Computer Incident Response Team Coordination Center, Telecommunication and Broadcasting Principal Secretary Professor Edward Kisiangani said some platforms are still experiencing intermittent interruption, but from tomorrow, all government services will be operational. Senior officials from the Ministry of Information, Communication and the Digital Economy, led by Telecommunication and Broadcasting Principal Secretary Professor Edward Kisiangani, Communications Authority of Kenya Director General Ezra Chiloba and KBC Acting Managing Director Samuel Maina were on a tour of the National Computer Incident Response Team Coordination Center, where monitoring of live cyber activity happens. The multi-agency team has pooled resources to block and detect hacking attempts on various online platforms in Kenya. They said cyber attacks had intensified, with over 11 million cyber attacks detected in the last 1 month.
The most important thing is whether the country has the capability to deal with the attacks. We can't stop those attacks from coming in. Do we have the capability? Yes, 100%, probably 110%. So the public shouldn't worry about it.
Is Kenya prepared to deal with them, to mitigate any negative impact that is likely to arise? And we can say that on a daily basis, we do that, and that's why this digital space has been operating efficiently and effectively.
At the time of the tour, live cyber threat map indicated that 958,855 attacks are detected daily. Professor Kisiangani says the government is in the process of restoring all online government services.
Where there were hitches, by tomorrow everything will be back.
We are happy. We've actually turned the corner. We're out of that risk area.
While assuring Kenyans that no data was breached, Professor Kisiangani said the cybersecurity infrastructure is being upgraded.
We cannot sit back and say the infrastructure we had 10 years ago will continue working for the next 20 years. Our job as government is to make sure we upgrade this infrastructure every other time, and whenever we have threats like this, missiles being launched, we must upgrade our infrastructure.